What? I'm still at the track? It's morning. This is Sunday morning. Must have had a good night, right? Wait till you see the video. See how it turns out. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Guess what? Today is Saturday. It's race day. Yes, first Saturday of the race of the season. So this morning I'm going to go ahead and get the truck all cleaned up, get some cash, get some diesel. The regular routine we do normally on Saturdays. So anyway, let's get this day started. Like I said, it is Saturday. It's race day. We got a lot to do this morning here. It's just a little after 10. So we got to get this thing hooked up, pulled out, golf cart loaded. Probably have to test fire the car, just make sure it's working good. Changed the carburetor on that yesterday. I changed it, but cleaned it out and all that stuff. So it's sitting there drying right now. So we'll get it pulled out. I'm going to prime it. Make sure there's no leaks and all that stuff. And we'll get, then we'll get the golf cart loaded. But right now, let's go ahead and get this thing loaded up, pulled out, and get ready for the day. We'll leave here around 1 o'clock or so. Gonna make our famous Sonic stop. I am going by myself today. Pops is not here. He's back in Pennsylvania for my grandmother's birthday that's coming up. And I'll be leaving there later on, or later on in the week. A week from today, in fact, we'll be flying out to go there. So anyway, so with that, let's go ahead and get this day started and see if I can turn some wind lights on up there. So this is just a reminder, this is the first Saturday race up there. So we will be racing into the night. So gates open at 4, qualifying starts at 5. So then it's gonna be a late night. So hopefully it's a late night. That's what I want. So let's get started. Get gas in the generator. Sure it's ready to go. Okay. Fuel's loaded. Time to get the fuel jug loaded up here. Okay, that's all loaded up. Whew, it's hot. It's all hooked up. Got the bed of it loaded. Gonna pull it out. So we get the golf cart loaded up, stock the refrigerator. Gonna put some food in the refrigerator here, so we have something to munch on tonight and tomorrow. So, Goodyear blimp. You see that or not? Okay, we are all ready to go. We're hooked up. It's gonna be a hot day. Yes, I do have my phone, so I don't have to turn around this time. So let's get on down the road, get up to Mokan. We'll make a quick lunch stop there at Sonic and get my lunch. Other than that, should be the easy drive up there. Pops is not here today, so kind of going by myself. And it's going to be a warm one today. Right now the truck's showing 85, so it's going to be warm. So make the best of it and let's get going. Choo choo! Chugga 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 choo choo! Okay, guess where I stopped at? Sonic. That's right, it's lunchtime. Used to do this for breakfast, but now we are doing it for lunch. That's right. Now, Sonic, if you're watching, you know, it'd be nice to have a lunch or maybe even a breakfast or something like that thrown my way every once in a while, but hey, not choosy. But anyway, so I got my lunch, gonna get ready to get out of here, get some fat, get this thing in me. Anyway, I'm hungry. Haven't had lunch in a while. So I haven't had lunch today. So anyway, so let's get on down the road and get up to Mokan. It is warm outside. It's like 92, 93. Yeah. So anyway, so let's get on down the road and see where it goes. Yay, finally made it. It's the end of the track right there. But no, we're gonna go, it's a warm day here. It's 94 shown on the truck. Gonna be in 2 classes today, Super Pro and No E. Probably not gonna warm the car up that much. It's gonna be pretty warm as it is. Trying to keep as cool as much as I can between qualifying passes and elimination. So heat management is the key today. So it's gonna be a warm one. We're gonna try to stay cool. Gonna try to keep the car as cool as possible and go from there. So anyway, let's get in the track here, get paid, get set up, and let's get this day started. Here we go. Okay, we got everything warmed up. I didn't take a warm-up lap, no sense of it. Car's been in the trailer all the way up here. It's been 100 degrees in the trailer. No sense of warming up. My warm-up time will be actually going down the track. Got 4 qualifying runs, so car get plenty warm. So with that, we're getting ready to go up to qualifying here in about 2-3 minutes. Well, that's going to call for lanes, so if I got by now 30 minutes maybe. So let's get started and get this day going. So here we go. Okay, we got we got the qualifying done for Super Pro No E. My first pass in No E, the car spun. It only ran like a 682. 150, 60 foot. I'm normally in a low 1.4s, 43, 44. So it's really off. Now Super Pro, it seemed like a hook better. Did a 146, 60 foot. And only ran a 676. But like I said, it's a hot day. Track is pretty hot. So it's basically still spinning on me a little bit, but not bad. I had a 14 light on my Super Pro, 58 on my No E, but that's because tires are spinning. So done Q1, let's go up to Q2, see what happens from there. So anyway, here we go. Okay, we got done with qualifying for both classes for No E and Super Pro. No E spun just a little bit, did a 148, 60 foot, ran a 679. The Super Pro, it spun big time, 150. So it ran a 681. So, man, I don't know what we're going to dial because I am all over the board on my dials right now. I think the quickest is 676, the slowest is 682. So, I might just, this is first round, so we can do some weird things. So I'll probably dial for, I think it's going to spin. If I feel like it's hooked up, I'll go ahead and womp it down to the other end. With the sun about ready to go down, see that? The track will get tighter. I think that's probably why it maybe was spinning. But other than that, we'll have some in our back pocket, so to speak. Don't like putting that much in because if it hooks, I'm going to have 4 in my back pocket if it really connects. So I can scrub 2 pretty easy. 4 is going to be pushing it, so I might cut a good light, run close to my dial in. I think she win. So, but being first round, we can do that. Then after the first round, we'll be definitely in the dark time of the evening. So then I think the track will be tight enough we shouldn't spin anymore. So anyway, so let's get ready for first round of No E and Super Pro. It's going to be a late night. We just got done doing round one for Super Pro at 10:39. So anyway, won my No E round. The other guy red lighted. I had a 25 light. Super Pro, we both had identical lights. We both broke out. I just broke out by that much more. I broke out by 0.018. He broke out by 0.015. Super tight race. Identical lights. What can we say? So anyway, that's my time slips. It is what it is. So on to round two. Here we go.
Yeah, there's a bunch of bumps.
One light. So just think how every light out here has that.
If you go like this, take your hand above it, the light, look at that.
Oh Lord, they come all the way back.
Well, I guess you now know how the video ended. Now, the reason why I'm actually here is because there are so many issues going on last night at the track. It just kind of one of those weird nights. With the breakdowns that we had, the oil downs, the fire, you name it. I mean, it happened here last night. It just was just a late night of racing. And I didn't get any further than the second round in both my classes. Just one of those nights. I was so close on all my races. I mean, as you already seen in the video, I mean, my breakouts, and between our breakouts, who I was racing against, I mean, we're talking thousands differences in breakouts. So if you happen to be on one side of that breakout or the other, hey, you went on the next round. If you're not, you're gone. And that's what happened to me. Had 3 of those tonight. 3 of the breakouts were actually Saturday night. 3 of those were like that. When they were down in the thousands of the breakouts and stuff. So anyway, sometimes say, well, if I got a better light, I could have gone further. You betcha I could have. But it is what it is. We'll get ready for a race coming up here in a couple weeks. It's a 2-day race, 2-day. So I can't wait to get back up here, and hopefully we'll get this thing in the winter circle this year. So I still got my hopes up. I'm not giving up by no means. So we'll try it again. So anyway, but if you do like what you see, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and leave it any comments down in the video. And anyway, until the next race, we'll see you then. Thank you for watching. Yep, made it back. Woohoo!